Alright, gang. So we bleed these here brakes. I done did the passenger rear already. I just got a bottle filled with brake fluid, 10 millimeter for the bleeder screw. And this on here 99 to 02 blazer setup instead of the drum brakes on the back, or what's the back disc, I can't even remember, but front brake conversion. Blazer 9902, spindle, rotor, everything. That setup right out the junkyard. I got the new rotors I ain't never put on, drill and slide it, pads and everything, BMR control on, strange engineering, coilovers, just put all that on. But this is a video about how to self-bleed. So like I said, I bled this one already. I'm gonna go ahead on and make my way to the this driver's side here. I'll show y'all how we do that. See that? So all I'm doing, gang, I'm just cracking my screw open. My little screw. And like I say, 10 millimeter. That's right there at the top. So once I crack the screw, there go the screw right there. Crack them a little bit more. You see me getting some fluid in. Now I'm just gonna stick my bottle up on there. Y'all will see the fluid start rising up. You can see it kind of trying to come. There she go, look. So bleed, baby. Yeah. You see it pulling it out of there. You see it pulling it out of there. I put that towel down and let it drip. I actually got that this little lock screw. You know what I'm talking about. Right there too. Look. Put them on now. You see the fluid starting to come up. So I let them come up, and I really like to see it doing this right here. See the fluid come up. I like to see it start running back in the bottom. That's why I got that set screw, so I can drain it down like that, just like that. Just like that. I like to get some of that fluid running. There we go. Run it back into the bottom, so it could kind of pull it out of there. And she should be good enough. So when I disconnect it, you see that? We'll run it down there. When I disconnect it, I'm just gonna tighten my line, my fitting back up. If you ain't know, the order to bleed them in is from the furthest wheel to the closest wheel. So the furthest wheel was the passenger rear. Starting to get dark up out there too, but y'all get the picture. Same right here. I'm just gonna pop him off. Crack our line. Trying to get this done before it get dark, baby. Crack our line. Get that fluid going. all fluid at, gang. That fluid at, baby. There go the fluid. Wait, that's why I got that set screw on that door. I'm gonna try to open him up a little bit more, baby. Sorry for the lighting, baby. Sorry for the lighting, baby. Like this one here, trying to take your time. Like this one, trying to take your time. See the fluid coming out on this side, quick like the other one. Other one was. I ain't seen that fluid, man. You can't stop the hustle. Might go hit the pedal on him, or I can really pull that screw all the way out and see what happens. I ain't seen nothing dripping on the ground or nothing. Go hit that pedal. Give him a little squeeze. Squeeze. I ain't seen no fluid coming out of him. I could crack the line too. I ain't seen no fluid coming out of him. Let me go. I'm gonna hit that brake one time for the one time. Another thing too, gang. Look, I didn't hit that pedal. And the fluid that shot all up out of there. I'm gonna add a little bit more fluid. Even though that should be plenty. I'm gonna add some more. And I'm gonna put this at top on there. Check it out. All right, look. Now we dripping. Now we got something left. We'll let them build up. See that? Golden. So I'm gonna just pull them off, gang, and tighten them up, baby. All right. Now, let's go to driver's side. I want closer to the yay. All right, let's see if we can get some fluid to come out of this one without hitting the brake. And I'll probably do it again too, do the whole thing again. Let me just see, I ain't seen that come out of this one neither. I ain't seen nothing yet. So I'm gonna go ahead on and hit that old brake. Hit the brake. There we go. Look, I seen some bubbles. Look, you can see the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. So, all I'm gonna do, pull them off and tie them up, baby. So, that's the process done. You understand me? Huh? You understand me? I'm gonna just do it again. Go back to the passenger rear. But y'all got the picture now. Now y'all know how to self-bleed. You know how to self-bleed. We're gonna come right here and see if we can get some more. She came out the back pretty easy though. Well, I know my back good. Crack my line. Put my thing on. And there she go. As soon as I put the line on, she went to eating. You know, see it filling up. Like I said, I like to kind of let it go up some, and then let it come down to where it can start dripping back out. Then it came off. But she good though, man. Y'all got the picture. Y'all go ahead on and hit that like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know? Go ahead, get us up to that 7K. So we can start making money over here. I'm trying to get paid. I'll let y'all go check out the other videos, the channel, and all that good stuff. Y'all see back trim on. I'm still getting water in the car. I gotta adjust these windows. These windows, something to get gone. We gonna figure that out though. But y'all see it, man. Let me back up so y'all can see the bigger picture. Huh? They call this one Black Night, AKA Midnight. Y'all holla at me. We signing off. I had one, I forgot. I had one to see how that pedal felt though. We definitely got brakes. Definitely got brakes. And the reason why I had to bleed them, I just did the front suspension. And I also changed that line right there. That's the Russell line. If you ain't know, I got the Russell on the front. And that one right there. Eventually, I like to change the back to the Russell braided line too. Like him now. Them lines, the two for the back front, and that middle one for the back. That cost me shit, I won't say like $70. So appreciate y'all tuning in, you heard me? This ain't nothing but a little fire tree. Got all the AC hooked up. Gotta clean up these wires a little bit. Charge the system up, baby. We about to be hopping back in traffic. I'm holla at you.